Now, ladies and gentlemen, a very common thing I'm seeing on Twitter, my YouTube comments, as well as Discord is obviously everyone saying the market is up, which it is by a lot. And a very big thing I'm also seeing on YouTube for content creators sort of thing is people talking about investing at this point in time right now when this Challenger's capsules for Stockholm is hitting $1 once again at 10,000 quantity. We're seeing stickers go for absurd prices like the mouse gold. People are suggesting investing into these prices when just a couple weeks ago they were just a lot lower. And of course, the Steam Summer Sale and of course the Steam Summer Hype and the Summer Hype for CSGO skins is happening very, very soon, but not too soon. We're also having a major very soon, which skins will crash most likely and most indefinitely, like every other major, especially the sticker side of things from the last major, at least 10 to 15%. So in today's video, I really want to go over very short, sweet, and simple what I'm doing with my items as of right now and what you should not do, just as past previous experience. Obviously do your own research, but I just want to spread the word for this specific topic on if you should sell and if you should invest in as of right now. And of course, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you check out to our sponsor Skinport, the people who have been keeping us alive here on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys don't know who they are, well, I'll sum it up for you. They're a buying and selling marketplace where you can sell your skins for cash, and you can find some investments or play skins or possibly a new knife for up to 30-40% off Steam market prices. And if you guys want to sell anything, it goes directly to your bank via bank transfer. That's the spiel. Thank you very much. Let's begin. The first thing I want to take a look at is, of course, the Stockholm capsules, because a lot of people invested into these when they were 50 to 60 cents, especially for the Challenger side of things. And I talked about a little while ago how I sold a lot of mine near $1, which I think was a good idea. And that was a good choice. The whole market for CSGO is literally up, I would say 80 to 90%, especially for a lot of things like these capsules and mainly the stickers from Stockholm. Maybe the hollows and some of the foils as well are going absolutely crazy. And that's just literally for everything, including cases. But these, I mean, how I talked about it a couple weeks ago when I sold my Challenger's capsules is, you know, the way I see it is, let's just say they go to $1.50. Just randomly, let's throw a random number out there. They go to $1.50, but you bought in at 25 cents. If you sell right now, you're only really going to lose 30 to 40 cents, which is not too bad. Then you can buy back once the next major comes. Let's just say these prices did stay, worst case scenario, because that's going to happen. The next major comes out in May. We're going to get new stickers and new capsules. Most likely, even if the stickers don't look that great, we're going to see some sort of decrease, like 10 to 15% of Stockholm stickers, capsules, and patches. So that's going to be time for you to buy back into the market, which is good if you want to make some money, and you can just reinvest the money you got to buy more stuff, which is pretty nice. So that's what I would do for Stockholm, and same with stickers. I mean, the mouse gold sticker as of right now, people are saying like it's a very good investment because it's a very good looking sticker. I beg to differ on that. I really don't think the mouse hollow and the mouse stickers look that great. I think the hollows look all right, but the gold stickers specifically, there's nothing really standing them apart from every other gold sticker. The reason they're being so expensive right now is because there's not a whole lot of them in existence like every other Stockholm capsule and sticker specifically. Now, I'm not saying these could be the next Cato stickers, but they are obviously going to be very rare in the next few years, especially if we don't get borderless stickers, which I don't think we're going to get again, but obviously take that with a grain of salt with investing in the next major. Now, the case market is up quite a bit, and mainly what I'm going to be talking about is obviously the clutch case. I mean, this is a big option for a lot of people, as well as the broken fang case, which I got a comment on that not that long ago today, on if I should sell my broken fang cases, because I don't know if they're going to keep going up, because people were buying into them at 30 and 40 cents before Operation Riptide, or as soon as it came out, because of that M4 buff, which was a pretty good idea. And of course, they're being $1 right now, and the clutch case is 23 to 30 cents roughly throughout the day, most days right now. And for the clutch case sort of things, if you invested, I would say anywhere under 13 cents you could sell. But the clutch case, I do have a feeling there's going to be another case added to CS within the next couple weeks. Maybe it might be before the major possibly that comes, or it's going to be after the major, which that could be a very big possibility. So if it's not before, I definitely think the update after the major, when everything is removed, like Stockholm souvenir packages, the capsules are removed from the 75% off sale, I think we're going to see obviously a new case added, and the clutch case is going to be removed. That means that case will skyrocket up in price. So we could see it go from 23 cents to maybe 40 cents possibly, just for a 12 to 13 hour period maybe, or it's just going to be an hour or two. But either way, it's a bit risky with the clutch case. Now, the broken fang case on the other end though, I do see this kind of going back down. I think eventually we're going to have too many broken fang cases opened, and there's going to be too many print streams out there, obviously. So if you invest into the broken fang case, I would suggest selling now. In my personal opinion, it could go up a few more cents here in the next little while, but I don't really see it going, you know, up this much higher than it already is. And now, before we talk about if it's a good time to invest in today's video, we're going to be talking about the M4A4, and I still think this is a very, very underrated and great investment inside of CS. Now, on a place like Skinport, you can find M4A4 Asimovs for $90 to $100, and you want to get them under the $100 range, especially maybe $90 to $85 possibly for the field test condition. That's what you're going to want to go for. And these are such a good investment right now. And they're the most underlooked and underrated investment right now in CS. No one's talking about them, and I doubt they're going to have an M4 switch before the major, meaning I don't really think they're going to buff the M4A4 or really nerf the A1S before the major. That's really going to mess with professionals and how they practice and how they play, and it's going to really change up things. I think that could be possible for after the major, but even then, this is definitely going to be a longer term hold, and I wouldn't want people to think or get the wrong idea that this could be a possibility, you know, in the next month or two. This is like a new Counter-Strike Source 2 game coming very, very soon. We don't really know, but most of it's BS, and I do think that's going to be BS, so you could be holding these for a couple years. But I do still think they're a really good investment, even if you get things like the Global Offensive from Operation Riptide and Broken Fang, of course, where you had the Red DD Pat, and then obviously you have things like the Desolate Space and the Emperor from cases that are pretty cheap, but those cases will also rise. So things that have M4A4s in them, those will rise as well. Now, the big question, the golden question, should you invest right now in today's market? Let's just say you made some profit and you want to reinvest. And I'm going to say no. I would not suggest to my viewers anyway to invest right now into this stuff. If you have it, great, sell it. In my personal opinion, I would just take the profit and get going. Wait till these things drop back down in the next couple months. Especially for the Stockholm route, you're going to lose some money most likely when the new stuff comes out. Even if it is crap, it has border stickers, kind of like maybe let's just say the Face It Major or even RMR. Because I do think a lot of these prices are not very natural, the way they're going up and how fast they're going up. I don't know if anyone can relate to that, but that's just how I see it anyway. Especially with the clutch case quantity literally getting cut in half the other day by 300,000, which is just kind of crazy. So the whole market's up. Wouldn't invest right now if you want to invest anything new into the game, and I would possibly sell and go over some of your investments, what you bought them at, and make some profit and reinvest in the next few weeks. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, link in the description below. Make sure you check out our friend Skinport over there, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to buy or sell anything on CSGO. Make sure you have a good day, stay positive, stay sexy. Let me know what you guys end up doing and what your current dilemma is down in the comment section. Peace out, guys.